Introducing the FISCHERSCOPE X-RAY XDAL 237.
The FISCHERSCOPE X-RAY XDAL 237 is a universal instrument ideal for the non-destructive measurement and analysis of very thin coatings, even with complex compositions. With its fast programmable XY stage, it's the best solution for automated measurements with small or large samples in quality assurance and production monitoring. The instrument has an X-ray beam in a top-down measuring direction, so samples are measured from above. Typical fields of application include the analysis of very thin coatings, functional coatings in electronics, complex multi-coating systems, and determination of hazardous materials in ROHS screening. Optical focusing is automatic, and specialized safety system prevents contact between the sample and the detector. The instrument has easy-to-use software, so FISCHERSCOPE users can be up and running with their measurements quickly, regardless of experience. Clear measurement data is gathered and stored, enabling powerful reports laid out in a simple way.
So, what can you measure?
You can measure a wide range of elements from aluminium to uranium, including light elements such as silicon, chlorine, and phosphorus. With this instrument, the measuring diameter possible can be as small as 0.1 millimeters. It has a high-resolution video camera with zoom to enable easy sample positioning and precise measurement spot adjustment. It has a programmable XY measuring table, image and pattern recognition, and a useful C-slot gap, meaning wider shaped parts can fit across and into the measuring chamber with ease. The XDAL 237 range benefits from silicon-based detectors, such as the silicon drift detector, with the winning combination of high X-ray energy resolution and X-ray spectrum count rates. These characteristics provide the best element resolution and measurement precision for material and very thin coating analysis.
What about safety?
Safety is of the utmost importance to us and our customers. As such, the instrument is fully protected with type approval according to current radiation protection legislation. In summary, the FISCHERSCOPE X-RAY XDAL 237 is an easy-to-use, highly precise tool for automated measurements of thin and very thin layers, less than 0.05 micrometers, and for material analysis in the parts per million range.
Why choose Fischer?
Fischer customers benefit from full instrument commissioning, user training, service support, spare parts, and approved calibration standards. Trust in the world's #1 measuring company with 70+ years of experience and German build quality.
At Fischer, the customer relationship does not end with the sale of an instrument. That is only when it begins.
So, what are you measuring? Contact us now to explore how we can help you.